Welcome to Credit Gyan series. Today we are going to talk on avoid common credit score mistakes. Some common mistakes, tiny things one does, have a huge toll on their credit score in the long run. Today it might feel that it is just a small thing, but it has a deeper effect in the future. Paying a few days late seems nothing, but it is reflected in your credit report as a DPD, days past due, which shows your repayment habit. So, you need to correct your actions today to see a better reflection tomorrow. Let's discover common credit score mistakes which should be avoided. Asking for credit limit increase. It is important to maintain a low credit utilization ratio for your credit score. If you have a high ratio, increasing your credit limit can instantly improve it. When you ask for a credit limit increase, the bank will re-evaluate your current financial situation to check whether you can manage it or not and decide to sanction or not. Remember that the bank will treat the increase as a new credit line and thus pull your credit report, which results in a hard inquiry. So, if you are not in dire need to have a credit limit increase, then you should avoid it until you receive it automatically or you have words with a bank representative about bank policies or you have a strong relationship with the bank in terms of ongoing loan or you maintain a large deposit. Failing to check your credit report. This is a major drawback when you don't regularly check your credit report. Checking your credit report on a regular basis will help you find out and fix credit report errors that could adversely impact your credit score. It is also necessary to dispute those errors or suspicious transactions to the relevant credit bureau. It is best to check your credit report at least once a year to make sure the information is accurate, up to the date, and there are not any mistakes or fraudulent accounts. If you spot any wrong, incomplete, or fraudulent information on your credit report, you can file a dispute with the credit bureaus. You will want to pay particular attention to wrong account numbers, accounts you do not recognize, inaccurate payment status or instance of late payments, closed accounts still reported as open, duplicates of the same accounts or information from a former spouse, incorrect credit limits, reports of delinquencies that are either false or out of the date over 7 to 10 years old, a collections account that is either false or has been paid off or settled, overspending for the rewards. Many people are interested in earning rewards on credit cards like cashback, travel miles, or points. Rewards are indeed a great way to earn money back on the money you have spent anyway. But what about the extra charges that comes on extra purchases in terms of interest and further messes up the credit utilization ratio when you go for unnecessary purchases just to earn a reward? It is tempting to earn rewards, but the negative effects of having too much debt on your credit card will result in lowering of your credit score. It is best to use a credit card in the limit rather than overspending just for reward. Withdrawing cash from credit card. Many people sometimes treat credit cards as a debit cards just because they have to pay later. It is generally better to withdraw cash using your debit card rather than your credit card. This is because credit card companies will typically charge an additional fee. You might also end up paying interest on the cash withdrawal, even if you pay it back on time. But failure to pay on time results in a low credit score. When you take out cash from a credit card, the withdrawal is recorded on your credit file. This in itself is not a bad thing, but just like applying for lots of credit is not desirable. Multiple cash withdrawals also give the impression that you are struggling financially. Not using credit at all. Building a credit is a time consuming process. Some people avoid using credit because they are wary of having debt. What they do not realize is that this can actually do more harm than good in the long run. If you do not use credit, you won't have credit history, and with no credit history, you are not going to get the best offers and furthermore may even have trouble getting approvals for loans. In nutshell, you need credit to get a credit. Avoid these common mistakes to have a better financial life. To maintain your credit score, it is absolutely necessary to watch your finances and revise it from time to time. For more details, any suggestions, advice, call or miss call on the number given in description box. Thank you.